Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Lockly. This is the Lockly Vision Smart Lock and Video Doorbell. It is a deadbolt edition, so this will replace your deadbolt in your front door or any other door with a deadbolt, obviously. Unfortunately, today is going to be more of an unboxing than an installation because I live in a rent-controlled area where I am not allowed to replace my front door lock, and it's the only door in the house that has a deadbolt, so I won't be able to do a full installation, but we are going to do a full unboxing on the Vision Smart Lock and show you exactly what you get with this and how easy they make it to install and use. Okay, so this is the Lockly Vision, and if you have not seen this product before, you can see that they have a lot put into this lock. You do get an Ultra HD video camera or a Live HD video camera in the top of the lock. You do get a cloud video storage or internal SD card through the hub that comes with this. You get two-way audio. You do get that wonderful pin Genie on this as well, which I can demonstrate on my other video that I have in the description below. If you want to check that out, they have that as well. There is the fingerprint locking. Of course, there is the doorbell. It works with Amazon Alexa and a Google Assistant, and of course a traditional locking mechanism with a regular key as well. Now the pin Genie is awesome on the touchscreen. You can see that it has a bunch of different numbers, and you can use your pin that you set up, and every time you touch the pad the numbers will be in a different position, so that means it's almost impossible for somebody to guess what your pin code is. Just an awesome implementation that they've had going on with other Lockly locks that they brought over to the Vision. And of course, now that you have an HD camera on this, you can see who's at your door. As soon as they push the little doorbell button, it will come up in the app and you can see who's at the door, if somebody's trying to deliver a package or just somebody coming over. Overall, just a lot of features. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing here, show you everything that comes with the Lockly Vision. We're going to open this up and show you that they do direct you to an app called Bilt, B-I-L-T. It is available for iOS and for Android, and you can scan this code and it'll take you right to the Lockly Vision setup instructions. So this is the best way to do that. And I highly recommend that you use that over the paper instructions that they do give you here. But if you want to do the more traditional paper instructions, you can do that. But I am going to show you the Bilt app here in just a second once we get this started on the unboxing, just so that you can see how good that app is at actually showing you how to go step by step. And again, the very first thing that you pull out here really kind of keys in on the Bilt app because it is so good at getting everything installed. So you do have that. Now you have your regular installation guide as well if you want to stay traditional, and you get a user guide for the Lockly Vision as well. And you also get this little insert here that shows you how to use the pin Genie touchpad, which really randomizes all the numbers every time you touch the pad. The numbers will be in a different spot, so your fingerprints will be all over the lock instead of always in the same space where somebody might be able to guess your pin. So very, very cool. So let's check that out real quick. We'll get to the Bilt app, and then we'll get all of this out and show you what comes in the box. Okay, so this is the Bilt app, and again, I scanned it right off the box. So what it's going to do is take me to straight to, when I click on build, it's going to take me straight to the Lockly Vision instructions. Now it can do other things like track your warranties and things like that, but you can see that it's really going to take me straight to the Vision lock because I scanned it off the box. Now it tells you how long the installation is going to take, or estimated what tools you'll need and everything else, and then you can just click start, and you can pick different chapters. We're obviously going to look at installation, and it really does make this super simple to use for installing your lock. Now you can see that we can turn it sideways, get a better look here. You can drag and tap, and you can actually zoom in on every one of these as well. And it also has voice instructions for you too. So this really makes this super simple. Now I'll show you. We can go through and go through a couple of these, and I will pinch to zoom. You can move around. It shows all of the actual measurements that you will need in 3D and makes it super simple for you to follow step by step on how to get this installed and up and running quickly. So I really like the built app that comes with this. It just makes things very simple to be able to get your product installed. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes in the box for the Vision, and they do pretty much cover every base that you can think of. Obviously, you're going to have the main lock itself, the front plate and the back plate. You're going to get a hub here, which you will install, and this hub has some built-in storage. I believe it's 16 gigabytes, and we'll get it out of here and double check it. And obviously, you can use this to hook up the lock wirelessly through Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi. You do have a micro SD card slot here with a 16 gigabyte card pre-installed, and this is for local storage. So if you want it to capture movement or capture video from the doorbell, it will capture that. You do have an Ethernet port here and your 5-volt power. So super slim, super compact, nice and easy to set up. So that you can store offline storage for your doorbell, your video doorbell. Now they give you an Ethernet cable, and they also give you a DC 5-volt power port to USB, and that will plug in to this, which is just your regular USB to AC power brick. So they even include that, which is great. So that pretty much gets that done. Now you do get 2 traditional keys, because as you can see on the front here, you can slide away this and use a traditional key if you still want to. Say you're out at work one day and 6 months or a year down the road, the batteries run out and you need to open your lock. Well, you can use the traditional key to do that as well. You do get your HD camera up front here, which is really nice. That awesome Pin Genie function on the touchpad, and a doorbell, actual doorbell button there for people to ring, and it will come up on the app as soon as somebody rings the doorbell, and then you'll see who's at the door. Now on the right hand side we have a 3D, a fingerprint reader, and if you look at my older review on the Lockly lock that I did install indoors, I did a review on all of those features, obviously except for the video doorbell itself. Now you do have a door sensor here on the back plate, and you'll just connect through and basically just connect into the board here, and you'll be good to go. You can remove, of course, off the back on the back plate there is going to be a spot for 8 batteries. They are AA batteries, and those batteries are also included, so Lockly has thought of you on that one as well. And depending on how long you use this, you're going to get 6 months plus on these 8 batteries, and maybe even longer depending on how many people come to your door. Now they also give you a please ring the doorbell button so that you can point it to the doorbell button on the front so people know to ring that doorbell instead of your traditional doorbell as well. Now they do give you all your mounting hardware, including a deadbolt here, so you will be replacing that, your existing deadbolt, and you do get all the mounting hardware for it as well. So they have really put together a comprehensive package, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing of the Lockly Vision. I know it's kind of a bummer you can't really see the video quality because I can't really install it here, but overall Lockly has in the past really impressed me with the quality of their products. Overall, I'm super impressed with the Vision. Wish that I could install it here, but if you're looking for a video doorbell and a smart lock combination, then you should definitely put the Lockly Vision on your short list. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about any of these, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.